Hello, lovely people. Today we are making a healthier version of Florentines. Start by choosing your chocolate base. It can be any type. I'm going for 72% dark chocolate. Melt the chocolate by using the double boiler method. Pour a spoonful of the chocolate and create a circle. Now, freeze for 20 minutes. While we wait, let's make the caramel layer. Today I am using sunflower seed butter and agave syrup. The base is ready. We can top up with the caramel. Time to add our toppings, your choice of nuts and dried fruits. I have some unpackaged dried golden berries and decided to use them, as well as dried sour cherries. Add your toppings by sticking them into the caramel so they don't fall. Now you can freeze them for 20 minutes, and they are ready to eat.